Hey guys, welcome back in Coding Bangla YT, and in this video I'll show you that how you can simply make the block volumes that player can't be go anymore. Like just think that you're in your world, you just make from like this, that this is the end point of your world. You don't want that your player should be go kind of like that place. So how you can match? Just think that you create a mountain, but your player can easily climb this mountain. So how you can fix this, that your player can't be go outside this mountain, like can't go at here, you just stay at here like this position. So for making this we'll be use the block volume. So at the volumes, just you find that this block volumes, just drag this and you find this a cube box. Okay, but this is a block volume. At this block volume, your player anything can be go outside of this kind of like, just think that your player is there, and if just player in this side, he can't go at that side, but if he's in that side, he can't go also in that side also. So that is called the block volume. So it's very useful. So let's try to use this for our game. So just scale it that how much you want. Make sure it's block all thing like your AIs, it will be blocks all the stuff. So make sure that which one you at which position you want to block your everything goodly. So as you can see, I want that my player can't be climbing at this mountain. So from this sides I will be just see and just look out, and as you can see this side is good. So as you can see from this side my player can't be now go anymore. So we'll be do what you can do, that now we'll be select it again and duplicate it one more time and set for the left sides, and also make sure that our player can't be climbed on this mountain. Also make sure that he can't be climbed anymore out of these collisions. Okay, so yeah, I think this position is good. Now we'll be again just get one more and set it to middle and just rotate it and just connect it with like that. Okay, just rescale it and just maintain the size that how much you want. So I think this one is perfect, and then again duplicate and just add like at here. Okay, and as you can see my navigation mesh is building because our AI can't be go anymore out of this collision. So that's why like out of this block volume. So yeah, so it's mean that now player can't be go out of this zone. So if I just show you, okay, and there's the ends of, as you can see. So let's go, and this is the blue zone. However, I hope I will not die, and I hope I can reach this point so I can show you that we can't go anymore. So the collision should be start from now. Okay, we can't go anymore. As you can see, here's the block volumes. Okay, as you can see I can't go anymore. I can, as you can see, I can't go anymore. However, so this is the block volume, that by this way you can make your block volume. As you can see I can't going up more. Okay, because this is the collision is start. As you can see I can climb at straight, but for the block volume I can't be, you can see I can't. So that's block volume. So our AI also don't climb at here, will be only climb at here. So this is the good. I hope you like and enjoy. If you have a question you can comment in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching guys, love you all and bye bye.